Welcome to a visual journey through modern, airy kitchen design to bring light into your life. Let's inspire your transformation journey. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Discover the simplicity of minimalism. Smooth surfaces, clean lines, and muted tones define this modern yet timeless aesthetic. Explore the beauty of open-plan living. Imagine preparing meals while chatting with your family or guests. It's a space where everyone can connect. Experience the functionality and design. Integrated appliances, hidden storage solutions, and thoughtful workflow planning make your kitchen space work for you, not against you. Delight in the thoughtful integration of natural light. Skylights, large windows, and glass doors invite the sun into your kitchen, creating a light-filled, airy space. Revel in the trend of biophilic design. Indoor plants, wooden shelves, and natural stone surfaces create a serene kitchen atmosphere. It's nature meets functionality. Appreciate the use of color. Pastel hues, white tones, and soft grays give your kitchen a fresh and contemporary feel. It's all about balance and harmony. Welcome the concept of multi-purpose spaces. Your kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's a hub for working, learning, and socializing. Experience the magic of mood lighting. Spotlights, pendant lights, and under-cabinet lights bring warmth, depth, and dimension to your kitchen even after sundown. Admire the blend of textures. Wood, glass, metal, and stone elements bring a tactile depth to your kitchen, enhancing its character and charm. Discover the charm of subtle patterns. Backsplash tiles, patterned rugs, and engraved surfaces add a touch of intrigue without overpowering the space. Explore the beauty of open shelving. Display your favorite dishes, cookbooks, or decorative items. It's a nod to your personality amidst the practicality. Delight in the trend towards sustainable living. Energy-efficient appliances, low VOC paints, and recycled materials make your kitchen not just beautiful, but kind to our planet. Enjoy the tradition reimagined in a modern context. Farmhouse sink, shaker cabinets, or traditional bar stools give a nostalgic touch to your modern kitchen. Embrace the revival of artisanal craftsmanship. Handmade tiles, artisan light fixtures, and bespoke kitchen furniture mark a shift towards individualism and uniqueness. Discover the beauty of merging vintage charm with contemporary design. Enhance your kitchen with classic elements, adding a timeless appeal to your modern space. In your kitchen, every detail matters. Let your personality shine through with unique, handcrafted elements that create a space that truly feels like home. Welcome to the kitchen jungle. Delve into the art of seamlessly integrating plants into your culinary haven. From countertop herb gardens to hanging planters, discover how a touch of greenery can breathe life into your kitchen. Optimize technological features in your kitchen. With integrated touchscreens, Bluetooth devices, wireless charging, and interactive displays, your kitchen surfaces are now multifunctional, providing convenience and innovation at your fingertips. Embrace the elegance of monochromatic bliss in your kitchen. From the cabinets to the countertops, we'll explore how a single color palette, varying in shades and tones, creates a sophisticated and cohesive look that radiates a sense of calm and balance. Know that your light and airy modern kitchen is more than just a space. It's a reflection of your lifestyle, your values, and your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this inspirational journey. make sure to hit that notification bell and hit subscribe. Happy decorating!